Hello, hello, my kids. Welcome. Tell me, how are you doing today? ¿Qué tal te va el día de hoy? Do you know what's my name? ¿Sabes cuál es mi nombre? Yep, that's right. Ese es mi nombre. My name is Abby. So, today I am at the farm. El día de hoy estoy en la granja. Yeah, I love this place. Me encanta este lugar. This is one of my favorites. Este es uno de mis favoritos. And I am having a great time. Estoy teniendo un gran tiempo. So, there are some beautiful, wonderful animals that I want to show you. Hay algunos animales muy bonitos y maravillosos que quiero mostrarte. Are you ready to take a look with me? ¿Estás listo para echar un vistazo conmigo? Yeah, okay. So, let's see. These are some of the farm animals that I saw today. Estos son algunos animalitos de la granja que vi el día de hoy cuando estaba caminando. So, let's see. Today we're going to learn what animal is it. El día de hoy vamos a aprender qué animal es. So, can you repeat with me? ¿Puedes repetir conmigo? Yeah, come on, you can do it. Tú puedes hacerlo. Vamos a preguntar, ¿qué animal es este? Ready? Okay. Repeat after me. Repite después de mí. What animal is it? Great. Así preguntamos, ¿qué animal es este? Okay, can we do it one more time? ¿Podemos hacerlo una vez más? Of course, claro que sí. Come on. What animal is it? Very good. What if we do it with more fluency? ¿Qué te parece si lo hacemos con más fluidez? What animal is it? That was fantastic. Estuvo fantástico. Now, let's see how to answer. Veamos cómo responder. It is a. Very good. It is a. Así decimos, este es un. Y ahora podemos decir el animalito que querramos, ¿ok? So, let's go with the first one. Vayamos con el primero. I'm gonna ask you and you tell me the complete sentence. Yo te pregunto y tú me dices la respuesta completa. What animal is it? It is a cow. Cow. Vaca. Very good. Come on. Una vez más. It is a cow. Great job. Okay. Now let's see. What animal is it? It is a dog. Great. Come on, let's do it together again. Otra vez, vamos juntos. It is a dog. It is a dog. That's great. And I love this one. Me encanta este. What animal is it? It is a horse. Horse. Caballo. Horse. Very good. One more time. It is a horse. Come on, with more fluency. It is a horse. Great. And what about this little one? ¿Y qué hay de este pequeñito? What animal is it? ¿Qué animalito es este? Duck. 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 It is a duck. Duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. That was great. Okay. Es un pato, un patito. Yeah. Okay, so come on, let's practice one more time the name of the animals. Practiquemos una vez más los animalitos. What animal is it? It is a cow. Great job. What animal is it? It is a dog. Fantastic. What animal is it? It is a horse. And what animal is it? It is a duck. Very good. That was great. So now I want to show you this video about the farm animals. But I need you please to sing with me. Are you ready to sing? ¿Listo para cantar conmigo? Of course you are. Claro que sí lo estás. Come on, let's do it together. Ready? I love it.
Moo, 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 cow, what sound do you make? Moo, 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 cow, what sound do you make? Moo, 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 moo. That's what you say, yeah, you're a moo cow.
That's a great, a cow.
Neigh, 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 horse, what sound do you make?
Horse.
Neigh, 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 horse, what sound do you make? Neigh, 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 neigh. That's what you say, yeah, you're a neigh horse.
Horns. Come on.
Woof, 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 dog, what sound do you make? Woof, 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 dog, what sound do you make? Woof, 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 woof.
Woo.
That's what you say, yeah, you're a wolf
A
dog.
dog.
Talk like an animal, walk like an animal, say what the animals say, yay, yay, yay. Meow, 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 cat, what sound do you make? Meow, 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 cat, what sound do you make? Meow, 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 meow. That's what you say, yeah, you're a meow cat. Quack, 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 duck, what sound do you make? Quack, 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 duck, what sound do you make? Quack, 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 quack. That's what you say, yeah, you're a quack duck.
Duck.
Talk like an animal, walk like an animal, say what the animals say, yay, yay, yay. Oink, 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 pig, what sound do you make? Oink, 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 pig, what sound do you make? Oink, 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 oink.
Oink.
That's what you say, yeah, you're a oink pig. Ba, 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 sheep, what sound do you make? Ba, 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 sheep, what sound do you make? Ba, 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 ba.
Ba.
That's what you say, yeah, you're a ba sheep. Hee haw donkey, what sound do you make? Hee haw donkey, what sound do you make? Hee haw, hee haw, hee haw. That's what you say, yeah, you're a hee haw donkey.
I love this about the farm animals. Thank you so much for joining me. Gracias por haberme acompañado a ver la granja. I love the farm. So tell me, have you ever been at the farm? ¿Alguna vez has estado en la granja? Yeah, that's fantastic. Eso es fantástico. So come on. What if we say the farm animals one more time? Are you ready? Come on. What animal is it? It is a cow. What animal is it? It is a dog. What animal is it? It is a horse. What animal is it? It is a dog. Very good. You did it great. Lo hiciste genial. So, thank you so much for joining me today. Muchísimas gracias por acompañarme el día de hoy. And remember, recuerda siempre cuidar a los animalitos. Son unos seres muy bonitos, son seres vivos que también sienten como nosotros. Por eso siempre hay que cuidarlos, alimentarlos y tratarlos bien. Yeah. Like this video. Acuérdate de dejarle like a este video, subscribe, suscríbete, and share with your friends y comparte con tus amigos. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.